Derek here from Eliminex. There's bald-faced hornets. I just took down the nest. It's attached to one of the branches. I'm wearing like safety gear. See where I'm wearing a rain jacket and a bee's hat. Your conventional Tyvek beekeeper's jacket won't help you on these if they decide to jump on you. Plus it's the color yellow. They don't see this spectrum. It's not ultraviolet. They don't really see it, and the hat breaks up the silhouette of a person, like the traditional silhouette. So I blend in with the bushes. So this just started, but they relocated from probably a bigger colony. So there was at least 300. They get up to like 500 or 600, and they're very aggressive. And there's another type of bee called the minor bee. They got basically they're the minor bee. They're getting into the structure. They didn't tell me about that, but I treated it into the structure. So it's a hit or miss when they go deep in the structure like that. So hopefully the treatment I got it enough. That'll get them, but there could be hundreds of them in there too. So I'm not going to include this in the warranty on my discounted price. I just did this and hope for the best, and if I have to come back, it'll be an extra charge. Because these are different types of bees, called minor bees, and then I have to seal that up. So I'm going to have to wait like a few days just to make sure there's no activity. So hopefully my chemical, I only treated the entry. So, and then these guys put their nest here, and these are predators of other bee species and wasps, so they probably set up shop because of the minor bees. Probably forced the minor bees out of the ground, and they had to seek shelter, scout into another structure. So it's kind of an ongoing battle, because that's what these guys eat. These guys eat other bees. I'm gonna give it another pass, another treatment. By the next day there won't be any more. I broke the bee's nest apart. I didn't have to, but this will sure by tonight they'll be all dead. And hopefully we'll get, with the next few days, hopefully there'll be enough chemical exposure, to take care of those bees. Other than that, I'll have to come back. All right, and then I treated the whole front of the properties. This is like a one-shot. The only warranty is like this bush. If I was going to do a full service, I'd do the whole